Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Dior haul. As you can see here in front of you, I've got, very important to say, 40% on these items because I was invited to the private sales. I think it is very kind of my essay to have invited me there so that I can purchase these beautiful items. And additionally, I got this little cutie here. This was a little gift. And these are packed in such a small dust bag. The packaging is like this. These are two samples of Christian Dior perfumes. So one is the new look, the other is called Bois d'Argent. Actually, the packaging looks like lipsticks, but it is not. You can see here, this is a perfume bottle, new look. And the other one is here, Bois d'Argent. It's the same packaging, like this. So as I said, really cute from my essay. Thank you for this little gift and thank you for the 40% on these items. So we already talked about the little gift from Dior. Here we've got a small box, a medium box or bigger box if you want, a big paper bag and a medium paper bag. So these are all the items that I got from private sales, 40%, and we'll start immediately. This one we already saw. These ones, you already know them if you follow me, because these are, I won't unbox it because we have already unboxed it. I just wanted to show that it was part of the whole. Actually, on this one, there are no 40% because this is the permanent line. These were the Dior sling bag with the kitten heel, 38.5 in the size, in pattern calf leather, in the rose nude color. So if you want to check the video, then go ahead. But I can show you quickly the look of these sling bags. I've did a whole review on these shoes and on the size, fit and comfort. And you can get all this information in the unboxing video of these shoes. Now let's go to the huge paper bag, and inside we've got this. So you know this is a piece of ready to wear, and we can have a look at this. Here is this piece with the Dior logo. And also I wanted to show you, look at the zipper. There's the logo of Christian Dior, the CD. That's a detail, and it's a funny detail. So let's open. It's this cropped jacket. It was made in Italy, and at the back it's a simple jacket, very simple, and I got 40% on this jacket. Okay, so I changed settings so that you can see how this jacket actually looks like. It's a very simple jacket that is double-breasted with these double buttons, and of course we can wear it open like this, and in the inside it's plain and lined, and we've also got two additional buttons here in the inside. The jacket is made of 85% wool and 15% silk, and the double lining interior is 100% silk. And I really like this kind of mixture because both are natural materials, and natural materials are very important because they let our skin breathe, and it's not synthetic, so there were less chemicals that were used to produce these materials. So let me know what you think about this jacket. 40% off during sales. So this was really nice. Let's go to the second paper bag. So it's this medium size paper bag from Dior. And inside we've got silk papers. This is as well ready to wear. Ta-da! This is a Dior blouse. I put the blouse on a hanger so that you can see how this looks like. So this is a Dior blouse in this beautiful pattern with some flowers here and there and some butterflies. Very cute. This blouse is very thin and flowy. It can be worn in the summer season. Here we've got the little Dior logo, so the CD with the little insect. It's cute, I think, and you don't see it, so it's not in your face. This was also made in Italy, and the composition, it's 100% cotton, made in Italy, and very lightweight cotton, very lightweight and breathable material for hot summer days. Here in the front we've got 4 buttons. If you want to open it, you can have a V-neck like a shirt, or we can close it to have this round collar here. And yes, so in the back it's exactly the same, and what I think is nice is that we've got here these 2 stitches to make it fall straight in the back. And yes, look at this pattern. Tell me what you think of the pattern in the comment section. I really love it. I think this is a summery pattern, very lightweight and girly, feminine, very nice. You can see very flowy and feminine. Then we've got one more, and here, ta-da! We've got the Christian Dior t-shirt, striped t-shirt, white and navy blue with the Christian Dior written here and the little star. And the composition of the materials. So this one is 73% linen, so very lightweight and breathable material, and 17% cashmere, 7% silk, and finally 2% polyamide and 1% elastan to have this stretchable material. So the majority of the materials, so 97% of the materials are natural and only 3% of the materials are synthetic, and these 3% synthetic materials are there for the stretchability of this t-shirt. I think it's a cute t-shirt. I would personally wear it with a blazer so that this logo is not very in your face, let's say it like that. Here on the shoulders we've got 2 buttons. I can show you. Also Christian Dior, and this anchor, the same is on the other side. Yes, also made in Italy. And let's turn it. The plain striped back. Yes, very lightweight and flowy as well. Very Beautiful. Tell me what you think about it in the comment section. On this one I also got 40% off during private sales. Okay guys, so here we are. This is the end of the video. If you enjoyed this little haul, and if you did, then please like this video. Tell me which item was your favorite one in this comment section, and see you in the next video. Bye bye!